In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices in Xero. Let's start from the Xero dashboard. To create a new sales invoice, look for the plus icon in the header bar. This is your quick create menu for common tasks. Click it to open the options, then choose invoice. That opens a fresh invoice form where you'll add your customer details, what you're billing for, and how and when it's due. At the top of the invoice, select the contact you want to bill. Begin typing the customer's name and pick the correct one from your existing contacts. This ensures the customer's billing details and default email address flow through automatically. If your organization uses multiple contacts with similar names, double check you've chosen the right one so the invoice lands in the correct inbox. Next, fill in the reference field. Think of this as a helpful label your customer will recognize, such as a purchase order number, a project name, or a short job code. It appears on the invoice and can make matching and approval on the customer's side much faster. Keep it clear and consistent with whatever your customer expects. Now, move to the line items. In the item column, pick a saved item from your product or service list if you have one set up. Selecting an item automatically pulls in the description, unit price, income account, and tax settings. You can adjust quantity, unit price, or the description if it needs to be more specific for this invoice. If you're billing multiple things, continue adding lines the same way. As you go, glance at the totals and tax to ensure everything aligns with your agreement. Set the due date so your payment terms are crystal clear. You can choose a specific date from the calendar that reflects the terms you've agreed with the customer, like end of month or a certain number of days from today. A precise due date helps reduce confusion and keeps cash flow predictable. When you're happy with the details, click Approve and Email. Approving moves the invoice from draft to an issued invoice and opens the email window so you can send it straight away. In the email preview, review the subject and message. Make any small edits to keep the tone professional and helpful. The invoice PDF will be included automatically. Finally, click Send Email. Your customer receives the invoice with the information you've just confirmed. That's it. You've created and sent an invoice in Xero. For smooth invoicing going forward, use clear references, accurate items, and realistic due dates. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.